everyone, so this is Rakshita. So let's start from class 8 maths lesson number 9 exercise 9.5. okay, so actually 9.5 we have completed the question number 2 in the previous video. Okay, so we are going to start from question number 3 in this video. So let's read out the first question, then we'll solve the subparts. Okay, third question is find the following squares with squares by using the identities. It means you have given expression and this square will be given, like this square is given here now, so square are given and you have to use the identities and you have to find the answer. Okay, so let's start from first part. So first part is b minus 7 square. So in this here minus is given, so which property we are going to use? We are going to use the second property. So second is, I am going to write the property here, or I should write here. Okay, here. No, actually first I'll represent this a and this b. I'm going to write the property. Okay, don't worry. So property is a minus b, sorry, actually b bracket should be there, a minus b square, like this whole square. Okay, then is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so this is the property and we have to utilize this property. So here a square is this, means a is b, so b square, then minus as it is 2 into a into b. A is b again, then b is 7. Don't put minus here when you're writing here, so don't put minus if it is minus also. Then plus b square, b is this, and 7 square you have to write. Now no need now. Last one is b square, b is this, means 7 square. So let's do it. B is b square as it is, minus 2 into 7 14 into b is 14b. Okay, then plus 7 square is 7 sevens are 49. Okay, so we have done the first part here. So let's come to the second part. So second part is xy plus 3z square. So here which sign is there? Plus sign is there. So you have to use the first identity. So let's write down the first one. First one is a plus b square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is the first identity which we have to utilize in the second part. So let's do it. Okay, so a square, first it represent a and this represent b. It's b. Okay, so a square means xy, so xy square, then with sign plus sign as it is, then 2 into a into b. 2 into a is xy, then b is 3z, then plus b square, plus b is this, means 3z square. Okay, 3z square. So let's see here xy square. Now we can rub it because now it's no use. Now we have to only solve it. So xy square you mean xy square, if it is given, so you have to write x square. I think so it should be whole square. Yeah, so it should be x square y square. You can write it as x square. Okay, don't confuse, I'm writing it. Okay, x square y square plus 2 into xy. First we will multiply the constant, so 2 3s are 6 into xy into z, means 6xyz. Okay, then plus as it is, so 3 3s are actually 3z square, so 3 square means 3 3s are 9z square. Yeah, so wait, I should write it properly, 9z square. Okay, I will rub this line also. So this is the answer of the second one. So let's come to the, so here we have the first and second part. So let's come to the third part. Yeah, so this is the third part. So let's read it out. 6x squared minus 5y whole square. So here again we have to write a, this represent a and this represent b. Now according to this minus sign is there, so we are going to use a second identity. Second is a minus z whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab I think so. It should be minus. Yeah, it should be minus here. 2ab plus b square. Yeah, this is the identity. This is the second identity which we are going to use. Yeah, so here a square, a is this, means 6x square. Already a square is there, so again we are going to take this square. This is 6x square of this only, this we are taking, and here square also here now. So square I have put of that also, and this also. Then minus sign as it is, then 2 into a into b. A is 6x square, x square, then multiply b. B is, yeah, it's here, 5y, then plus b square. B is this 5y, so 5y square. Okay, let's start doing this. So 6 are, wait, here actually 2 into 2. If x square is given, I am doing it in rough. Okay, I will do the rough there itself. So if your, what is that? Yeah, x square is given, so x into x. If it is said to do the double of this also, so it will be x into x into x into x. So how many times? 4 times. So x raised to the power 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. 4 times x raised to the power 4. Okay, so here we will write, so 6 square also we have to take, and x raised to the power 4. So 6 6 are 36. Okay, then x raised to the power 2 into 2. You can do the simple way, 2 into 2, 4. 2 to the 4, then minus as it is, 2 into 6x square. Now in this no need to take square. 2 6 are 12, and 12 5 are 60, and here x is in square, so write x square y. Y is only one time, so only y, plus as it is 5y square again, so 5 5s are 25, so 25 y square. Now this is the answer, okay, of the third one. So let's come to the fourth one. First I should rub this because I will need more space for that one. The fourth one, okay. Yeah, now let's come to the fourth part. So fourth part is 2 by 3m plus 3 by 2n square. Square again, this represent a, this represent b. This full means m also, and this n also. Okay, so here plus is there, so we are going to use the first identity, means which one? A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this we are going to, like b, a square is given, a square, so a square means 2 by 3 square we have to write, 2 by 3 m square. Okay, 2 by 3 m square, then here plus as it is 2 into a into b. So a is 2 by 3 m, 2 by 3 m, and again multiply b. B is 3 by 2n, I will do it in bracket, 3 by 2n, then plus b square, again this square, plus 3 by 2, so 3 by 2 n square, 3 by 2 n square. Okay, now no need this property, I will rub it. In exam, if the question is asked like this, so you have to write the identity. It is important to write the identity, that the examiner should also understand that which identity you are using. Okay, so here 2 by 3 m square, so square is here, 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3 square means multiply by 2 times, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, means 4 by 9. It's, yeah, 4 by 9. So 4 by 9, and m square also, m square, then plus this we have to do this, 2 into, let's take the first constant, 2 by 3 into 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 3 cut, 2 by 2 again cut, only left 2. So here m and n means 2 into m into n is 2mn. Okay, 2m, and then as it is plus sign, plus, and this I will write, yeah, I will write here, okay, down. So plus here, plus 3 by 2 n square, 3 by 2 n square, 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 is 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, means 9 by 4. Wait, I should write down 9 by 4. This n and square also we have to give. So this answer should be 4 by 9 m square plus 2 mn plus 9 by 4 n square. So this is the answer of question number part 4th. So let's come to the 5th part. Yeah, so this is the 5th part in 6 parts. So 6th part is last. So let's do it. So 5th part is 0.4p minus 0.5 q square. So which identity? Minus means second one. So first we'll write it represent A, this represent B. Tilted, okay? Tilted one. Minus. So which identity? A minus B square is equals to A square minus 2AB. Minus 2AB plus B square. So this is the identity which we are going to use. So let's do. So this is A, this is A and this is B. So A square is given. A means this 0.4 P square. Then with sign minus sign, then 2 into A. A is 0.4 P and B is 0.5 Q. 5 Q. Then bracket close and plus B is this means 0.5 square. 0.5 Q square. Okay. So now we have to solve this. 0.4 P square means 0.4 into 0.4. So let's do it. In the rough, 0.4 into 0.4. 4 4s are 16. Then 0 into 4 is 0 0 0 0. Then 6 1 0 means here decimal, because here 1 digit and here also 1 digit, means total 2 digit. See, also we will put after 2 digit, means 0.16. 0.16 P square. Okay, as it is P square minus. Okay, then minus 2 into, first we will multiply. Okay, you can multiply any of the thing, but I am multiplying here. 0.4 into 0.5. 0.5. So 5 into 4 is 20 as it is. Then 0 4 is 0 0 0 0. So 20 and 0 means after this 0.20. Then multiply 2 also, because 2 is also there, you have to multiply 2 also. So I am doing here 0.20 into 2. Okay, 2 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4, decimal point 2 zeros are 0. So it is 0.40. Okay, 0.40, and this P and Q. P into Q is PQ. Then plus sign as it is. Then 0.5 Q square means 0. Again we have to do square, means 0.5 into 0.5. 0.5 into 0.5 is 25. 5 5s are 25. Then multiply. Then 0 5s are 0. Then 0 means 2, 5 and this 0. And here also 1 digit means total 2 digit. After 2 digit 0.25. So 0.25, this Q as it is, and square also. Wait, Q square also as it is. Okay, so this is the answer. I will drop this identity also. Okay, so this is the answer of this 5th part. And let's move to 6th one. 6th one, 2xy plus 5y square as it is, plus, wait, it represent A and this represent B. So plus is there, means A square, first identity A plus B square, okay, is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So this is the identity which we are going to use in this 6th question, 6th part. Okay, many times it take out question also from my mouth. So this identity we are going to use. So here A square is this, means 2xy square. Then plus sign as it is, 2 into A into B. So 2 will write, A is this, A is 2xy. 2xy, then cross multiply means simple multiply, then b is 5y, so 5y, then plus sign, then b square, b is 5y means 5y square, 5y square. Wait, I will write it down only, plus 5y square. Okay, so let's take our answer. So it should be whole square. Okay, this as it is. So 2xy square means 2 to the 4 and x square y square, then plus sign as it is, 2 into 2 4 xy as it is. Wait, 2 into 2 4 5s are 20 and x is only one time, so one time, y is here one time, here one time, means 2 times, so y square. So this is y square because y is 2 times, then plus as it is 5y square means 5 5s are 25 y square. So this is the answer of sixth one. So we have completed question number 3. So thank you so much for watching this video. So let's come to question number 4.